All right. Hey! Yeah. That's going to be a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doug's there. Okay. Let's go down that.
Keep it going.
All right.
Oh, I was about to try and jump that. That would have been a problem.
I like this temperature. That's nice. Help! 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 Got him. Got him? Yeah. Okay. Those are good turns.
They're better than good.
Of course.
Yeah, it really is.
Yeah, you guys just carry on the way we're going here.
Hey!
Stopping's the worst.
All right, buddy, I'm going on. Catch up to us. Hey!
Okay, I went right above furthest right track too. And it seems to be working out pretty good. Looks like I'm pulling over left here now and a little bit.
Hey!
So playful in there, man.
Isn't it?
Just the snow consistency is perfect for this pitch.
I mean, you just look at everything like a launch.
Up.
Okay, that may be the fucking run.
I need to change my pants.
Seriously.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Seriously, unbelievable.
Change my pants.
I know, the snow is just perfect.
Perfect.
Right when I didn't think I could keep going, I just kept
Kept
laid
going.
in, I just splooged and kept going.
Just kept going.
Mark, you should call this one Candyland.
Candyland.
I like it. I agree.
Let's, well, you know what?
Crack
We're
cocaine.
up for naming stuff, man. Naming
Yeah.
down here.
I kind of like Candyland, I gotta say.
Candyland is nice.
Let's, there's a track. It looks like the tracks pull left here over this bench. So I think it's prudent that we kind of hit that so that, because I know at some point we got to pull left to get to the pickup. So make sure you come across and hit the track that goes across the flats here on the left, okay?
All right.